Learn English through scene description. Part 4. A beach on a summer day. In this video, we describe a realistic summer beach scene in simple English. You will improve your speaking, listening, and vocabulary skills while learning how to talk about everyday situations. What you'll learn in this video: 20 simple English sentences to describe a beach scene. Useful vocabulary with meanings. Reading, writing, and speaking practice activities. Fun worksheet exercises for learners. Don't miss the vocabulary section at the end of the video. This lesson is perfect for English beginners who want to practice fluency through picture-based learning. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and keep learning with us. Let's begin. The beach is bright and sunny with a clear blue sky. Waves from the sea are gently reaching the shore. A young boy is happily running on the sand. Another boy is flying a red kite high above the beach. Many people are swimming and splashing in the water. Some children are playing with a ball in the sea. Families are sitting on colorful towels near the shore. A girl is collecting seashells and arranging them on her towel. A couple is enjoying a picnic with fruits under a striped umbrella. The basket is filled with fresh fruit and a bottle of juice. People are relaxing and chatting under the sun. Some visitors are sitting quietly and enjoying the view of the sea. The sound of seagulls fills the air as they fly above. Children laugh and run around, creating a lively scene. Some people are wearing swimsuits, sunglasses, and hats for protection. A group of swimmers can be seen further out in the waves. Colorful umbrellas decorate the sandy beach. Boats are sailing far away in the blue ocean. The whole scene looks happy, active, and full of energy. It shows the joy of summer and the beauty of spending time at the beach. Vocabulary with meanings. Shore. Meaning: the land along the edge of the sea. Kite. Meaning: a light frame covered with paper or cloth flown in the air. Umbrella. Meaning: an object used to give shade from the sun. Seashell. Meaning: the hard outer covering of sea animals found on the beach. Basket. Meaning: a container used to carry food or things. Towel. Meaning: a piece of cloth used to dry or sit on. Swimsuit. Meaning: special clothes worn for swimming. Seagull. Meaning: a white bird that lives near the sea. Picnic. Meaning: a meal eaten outdoors, usually with family or friends. Boat. Meaning: a small vehicle that sails on water. Fill in the blanks. Use the words: kite, seagulls, basket, shore, swimsuit. 1. A boy is flying a red dash high in the sky. 2. White dash are flying above the waves. 3. The family kept their food in a picnic dash. 4. The children are playing near the dash. 5. Many people are wearing a dash to swim. Speaking practice. Answer in full sentences. 1. What activities do you see happening on this beach? 2. How do people protect themselves from the sun? 3. What sounds can you hear at the seaside? 4. What food would you like to eat during a beach picnic? 5. Do you prefer swimming in the sea or relaxing on the sand? Why? If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and keep learning with us. Thank you.